So, good evening. It's the 31st of March 2025 and we've come to Astbury and we're at St Mary's for the start, which is the amazing church, which I'll just show you there. Now, a couple of weeks ago we did do the daffodils here and they weren't all completely out, so we have come back tonight to see if they have. And let's just have a look at these amazing houses here before we go and have a look at all these beautiful daffodils. The road here is very, very busy, so you do have to be careful. And here we go. So all this lawn here is absolutely full of daffodils, as you can see there. Looking absolutely fantastic. Just before we go down, let's just have another look at this really, really old looking house. And let's have a look at the church. And I've just seen something at the church here. I'm just walking up here, then I'll zoom into it on you. Somebody's put a woolen thing over the post box there, look. Check that out. Amazing. So I'm heading down here now, and we've got loads and loads of absolute amazing daffodils. They really, really are beautiful. It's a lovely time, spring is. And it doesn't seem long since we were looking at the tree in the middle of the picture and it was all lit up for Christmas. More daffodils there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk to the bottom here and then I'm going to cross over into this area here and just check them out. Let's have a look just around here at, again, all these amazing houses there is up the road here around this square. And if I spin round a little bit further, you'll see the church. Let's just zoom in on that church for you. It's absolutely beautiful. It's amazing. Daryl's flying his FPV drone. Don't know whether you can actually see it there. Look, can you see it? I think it's just in the middle now of the picture, and he's flying it all over the daffodils. And he's actually sitting there by the tree. So that's amazing how he does that. He's got his goggles on and away he goes. Beautiful tree. It's a very, very old tree, that is. Let's cross the road and head into where the daffodils are. Look at the drone there, just flying through the daffodils. That's absolutely amazing how he's doing that. Can you see it there? I'm going to say here, I really, really don't think there's as many daffodils as there has been other years, especially here in this particular area here. They're a little bit thicker as we get further up, but what a spectacular view that is of the beautiful tree, all the daffodils, and the fantastic, amazing church there. Let's have a walk through here and just check them out. So we're on the main A34 here, and we're facing there towards Congleton. And I didn't realise until just there's a graveyard directly in front of me there, and I'm just zooming in on that very, very old telephone box, and it looks like there's still a phone in there. So as I look down the A34 that way, that's heading towards Scholar Green and Kidsgrove. Nice night tonight. Just starting cool off a little bit, but still nice and pleasant. And it's the second night of the light night since British clocks went forward, which was last night. So we're now wandering in between all these beautiful, amazing daffodils. Let's just have a look at them there as we go up, and what a view that is with all the amazing houses there is as well. That really, really is nice. I think the drone is coming back down again there. Look, let's just see if we can see it. Yep, there it is. And look how low he is to the daffodils. Amazing. And here it is, coming round there, and it's passing us there. Let's look at that. That's just absolutely wonderful how it's just done that. Amazing. Classic bit of film. And there we are, coming for the catch. So he's just finished flying there. He's FPV. You should have some amazing footage there, shouldn't you?
It's really good. It's not as many as last year, but it looked fabulous. Nice slow flight through there. That was really, really good.
Let's carry on and just go a little bit further up here and look at the tree there. And then as I sit here on this seat, which I'm doing now, you can see the amazing church, and I'll look up into this absolutely amazing tree. Let's have another look at the daffodils there. Look at that for a picture. It's just absolutely spectacular. There's quite a few daffodils this side, but not as many down the bottom. I don't know why. But no, that's been well worth coming and having a look. And there's that amazing view around the around the tree. That's really, really nice, and a really nice place to sit. So we walk up here now, and I think this is just an absolute tremendous shot as I'm walking back up towards the church, and I can see all these beautiful daffodils. Let's just stop there and take a picture for a minute there, looking at the church and the daffodils. Amazing. And like I say, as I was walking down, the properties here are absolutely amazing as well. Beautiful. So that's probably the end of the daffodil films for this year. I suppose the next thing we'll probably be doing is the bluebells. I've just noticed, so we will keep the camera rolling a little bit longer. Daryl is setting his FPV drone up again, so we'll probably see the drone again in a minute, coming up through this daffodil area. And I'd imagine there he would get some beautiful shots again, so it looks like it is going to take off. He's got his goggles on, I can hear the bleeping. So let's see if he does. Yep, he's lifted off that, and I would say, like I say, he can fly up these amazing daffodils here at the side of the road. Let's have a look. Can you see the drone yet? Yes, I can now. It's coming up there. Look at that. Just flying over the top of the daffodils there. He must have an absolute spectacular view of them there as he's flying over the top, and you can see the wind off the drone actually moving the daffodils. So here he comes. It looks like he's turning round and he's on his way back. Let's just check that out. There you are. Look at that. Amazing. Like I say, this church is just absolutely fabulous. I'm going just have a quick look now at the church for you, just before we go. And I'm just going to have a look what it says on this post box. And it says Happy Mother's Day, which of course was yesterday. And here we are in the grounds of the church here at Astbury. And I've only just noticed what there, look, where we're zooming now, that's a pub. The Edgerton Arms. Didn't realise that. So that's something I've learnt tonight. Hear the birds chirping. So yeah, let's just walk out of the churchyard now and back to the car, and we'll just stand here and have a look at this amazing view here. So I hope you've enjoyed the video I've done for you tonight. It's only been a short one, and like I say, that will be the end of the daffodil films now. We will probably do next the bluebells in May. So I'll say to you, thanks for watching. Please like, please share, and of course, please subscribe. And I'll say, the vlog is over.